raising of awareness about the Uyghur issue in Malaysia. And this is a more coordinated event in a sense because we have managed to gather almost all the NGOs that are supportive of the Uyghur issue, and we have formed a coalition. We call it Coalition Malaysia for Uyghur Solidarity Movement. And they say there were 30 other global protests all over the world today at the same time on today, October the 1st. So in a sense, suddenly we are also now part of that whole network, raising this issue that is humanitarian issue, because this is about being fair to the people of Uyghur in Xinjiang. I mean, the churches in China, some of them have been demolished. They've taken down the cross, and they have not allowed them to worship. They even put the, we have seen, because our friends, the Christians, they will put the photo of Xi Jinping right in front of the church. So you have to pray to Xi Jinping first before you pray to your God, which is very sad. So this is a similar issue like the Palestine issue, you know, where ANCOM as a Christian organization also championed the Palestine issue, as well as the Rohingya issue, and now of course the Uyghur. So we see this as a humanitarian issue, and this is a basic issue about fundamental human rights and justice.
That was the breaking point of my silence. After 2 years struggle, on 15th of June 2020, just after 3 years after my family member's disappearance, my family members, nothing near what the Chinese government accused them of, plans to study abroad. Now I get my MBA degree and I had a career on it, but unfortunately all of my parents and my siblings are in Chinese prison.
We call upon the Chinese government to allow such communication on humanitarian grounds, as well as end the use of re-education camps, where hundreds of thousands of innocent Uyghurs have been rounded up and detained by the Chinese authorities.
Kami seperti APIM, ASIN, MAPIM, dan lain-lain. Sebenarnya, I think the coalition for October 1st is the National Day of China. And we are not alone in Malaysia. Today, October 1st, there are over 30 other protests all over the world.